Everybody say, oh, na, 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 na. 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 Nobody fi defend the poor and the needy.
Hey loves, Tylah here, and today we're going to be doing another nail video. This is a beginner nail tutorial. Today I'm going to be trying out a few new techniques and products, so I'm excited. These are some decorations I'm going to be using, glitters, all that jazz. I will be trying nail forms for the first time today, and I have already done my cuticle work and buffed my natural nail. These are the nail forms I'm going to be using, so let's get into this video. The nail forms took me a little minute to put on. If you guys want a video on how to put on your nail forms, let me know in the comments below. I'm now going in with my acrylic prep, which is my dehydrator and my primer, both from Mia Secrets. So far I like them. My nails stay on as long as they should, so yeah. So for my base, I'm going in with Mia Secrets, and it's like a natural blush color. This will be just for my nail bed and for my thumb finger. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. I do a lot of cooking, nail videos, beauty stuff. And if you're not new here, welcome back. I'm so glad that you decided to watch another video. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you get notifications. Don't forget to hit that notifications bell so you get notifications every time I upload a new video. I aim for twice a week, but I've kind of fallen out of that schedule, but I'm going to get back into it shortly. So if you haven't noticed, or if you do notice, I dip into my monomer a lot and go back onto my paper towel. So I'm trying to get better at keeping my brush clean, because a lot of the time my brush does have some leftover acrylic. If there's any nail techs watching this, please leave me some suggestions below on how I can minimize the acrylic residue in my brush. Thanks. So for this nail, I just used that Mia Secrets, and I went in with some glitter, and now I'm encapsulating it with some clear from Mia Secrets as well. Also, my monomer is Mia Secrets also.
Everything alright. We are gonna shell down a party tonight. Touch the road, everything alright. We are gonna hold a one party tonight. Touch the road, everything alright. We are gonna shell down a party tonight. One touch, she give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that wave, wave. Night and day, me say a rave, we a rave, wave, wave. Party turn up on me a rave, we a rave, wave, wave, wave. Night and day, me say a rave, we a rave, wave, wave. Party turn up on me a rave, we a rave, wave. Every time I say me looking at your eye, the love alone, but you give me one cry. Every time when me looking at me eye, feel love girl and no mood. Chill a load that girl down a walk fi come off, but you know the all the beat and me had me have a chill a load that girl down a walk fi come off, but baby you want the beat and me had. Every little girl like you want me boo.
So now for my new product, I will be using Anacrylics, and this brand is really popular on TikTok. This is her recent line of princess colors, and this is Sleeping Beauty. So yeah, I'm going in with my Mia Secrets monomer, and I'm actually going to ombre this pink color with my Mia Secrets color. And yeah, I love this color, and the management of the acrylic was pretty easy. Um, it stayed in its place really well. I guess that's the best way I can explain it. Like, yeah, you can see in what I'm doing. Like, as soon as I push it, it stays there. It doesn't move. So I enjoyed that.
She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that one touch. She give me just one touch. Oh, not now one touch. She give me just that one touch. She give me that wave, wave. Night and day, me say a rave, we a rave, wave, wave. Party turn up on me a rave, we a rave, wave, wave, wave. Night and day, me say a rave, we a rave, wave, wave. Party turn up on me a rave, we a rave, wave. One of a kind, one of a kind. Baby, you are mine, you are mine. Hey, one of a kind, one of a kind. Baby, you are mine, you are mine. Hey, every time I say me looking at your eye, the love alone, but you give me one cry. Every time when me looking at me eye, feel love girl and no mood. Chill a load that girl down a walk fi come off, but you know the all the beat and me had me have a chill a load that girl down a walk fi come off, but baby you want the beat and me had. Every little girl like you want me boo. I'm a good and never live without.
So this is after I finished my entire left hand. My ring finger, I used those little decorations and some glitter. My pinky nail is completely pink. This is both hands after I'm done, and woof, child, I'm tired. But whatever, I'm going in with some nail surface cleaner and a lint-free wipe just to get all that grime off. This is after, by the time in this video, I've already completed my filing. If you guys notice in a few of my more recent nail videos, I don't include my filing because it takes so long, girl. Oh my gosh. So yeah, so now I'm going in with my base coat, and I'm going to start applying all of my gems and whatnot. Total time, it probably takes me between 2.5 to 3 hours. This design and just overall plan was pretty complicated, so it took me a little bit longer than usual. This is about my 11th time doing acrylic, I want to say, and I feel like I am getting better. This was also my first time doing stilettos, might I add, so they came out pretty good. It really helped using the nail forms. So what you probably don't get to see in the video, every time I finish applying my gems and I secure the design, I go over with a flashlight, a UV flashlight, just so that it does not move while I'm trying to, you know, get the other nails together. And so this little bag I'm fumbling with right now has tiny gems in it, and I got it off of Amazon. So basically what I did to my pinky is I just covered it in the gemstone glue, adhesive, whatever, and I dipped it in a bag and just turned my pinky around to make sure like the entire nail surface was covered in gems. Now I'm going over everything with top coat just to make sure everything is secured well, and I'm going to be curing for 60 seconds. After I do everything, I always cure just because I don't want anything to be ruined while I'm trying to, when I move on to like the next nail or whatever. So now that I've done with everything, excuse all like the crusties on my hand. Your girl is a beginner, I keep telling y'all. I finished off everything with top coat and I cure, and that's that. These are my finished results. I'm now going to go in with my cuticle oil, again from Amazon. I will link my everything nails list in the description below. Yeah, I'm really happy with this nail design. This is one that I came up with my own, and previously that hasn't worked out for me too well because like I suck at curating designs, I guess. But this was a great you know, feel good one for me. Like I feel good after doing these, and I was really proud of them, and they stayed on. I had to fight them to get them off. So yeah, that's the end of the video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Let me know what you think in the comments below. Toodaloo.
Vibes, yeah, yeah. It's a dancehall vibes, yeah, yeah. Everybody say, oh, nah, 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 nah. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Oh, nah, 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 nah. Oh, nah.